Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 10, and today I will show you how you can change the theme of your Always On Display. So at the first you have to simply go for the settings, find Always On Display and the lock screen, then simply move to Always On Display, and when you are here we have to scroll down and, for example, we can pick maybe this theme. Simple click, here you can adjust it if you want, of course. So as you can see here we can also show or don't show notifications and the battery. So you have to decide what you want to get, and after that you have to simply tap on the apply and just take a look how it looks right now. When you turn off the screen, that's how our theme has changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.